Hello, this is Keith Graham from Codasip. I'd like to show you a new feature in Codasip Studio in the cloud. You can see that I'm in the debugger and I'm trying to debug a program called Bubble Sort. You can see that I'm at line 23 in my application and I want to see my registers, but I want to make it easier for myself. So I'm going to use what's called the extended view. Now, on my left-hand column, like you previously shown, you can actually move your registers up and down. I can expand it so I can see the registers. I expand my architectural registers. I can see them here. But to get the extended view, I'm going to click on this plus here. It looks like two pieces of paper right next to or over each other with the plus. When I click on that, on my right-hand column, I'm going to get the extended view. Now, I wanted to point out that extended view, all the values in the register file are all hex. So these are hex numbers. And you can see that, for example, the register in 1 is hex 1058. Register 1, it's hex 1058. So just want to make sure that you understand that the values in the extended register view are hex numbers. Now, very similar, we can actually extend the view for our memory. Now I'm going to, just for simplicity, move up memory up here. And the first thing I have to do for memory is give it a range that I'd like to take a look at. Now for this example, I'm going to say a range of 2000 to 2200 hex. And once I do the range, if I come down here and hover over the particular memory range that I'm looking for, if I hit once again the plus, I will get my memory range on my right. So now I can view both my register extended view and my memory extended view. Both can be scrolled up and down so I can see all the registers and all the different, the entire range of my memory. So this can be a very helpful tool while debugging your programs. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified when additional videos like this are added. Good luck and have a great day.